We are here at JVC. We don't stop when the sun sets. The raft, water tank and lift pit casting is in progress. The site is active 24 hours. Night shifts, quality checks and safety standards are maintained. Things are moving as per the program.
Every hour is scheduled from material delivery to inspections. It is 24/7 operation. This is how we stay ahead. No delays, no compromises.
When the client asks, how's the progress?
We will show them a real-time updates because while you sleep, we are building your future.
This is not just a construction. This is a progress, people, and purpose coming together.